Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to transfer money from your Binance to your Payoneer account. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details. Like and subscribe. If you're new to Binance, all you have to do is scroll down until you see the first link in the description or until you see the first link in the comment section below, where it will refer you to make an account with up to 100 euros bonus as our special offer. Now to get this going, all you have to do is minimize Binance and then go and open your Payoneer account. Once you do so and you log in, it's going to show you the main homepage right here. All you have to do is go to the circle on the top left, click on it, and once you click on it, you're going to click on your bank accounts. Now from here, it's going to show you the details for your bank accounts, and you're going to click on whatever one that you want to transfer to, and make sure that you copy all the details necessary, such as the IBAN and the account holder name. Once you do so, you're going to exit the application and then go back to Binance. Once you open Binance, all you have to do is go to the three dots on the top left section, and then from here, you're going to click on More Services. Now you're going to scroll down until you see the button that says Withdraw Fiat. Click on it. And then from here it's going to give you multiple options. We're going to select on the top right. Now this depends on your region. So for example, for me, if I'm going to select something such as the Indonesian rupiah, then from here, as you can see, it says bank transfer very simply. Click on Continue. And then from here, click on whatever asset that you would like to sell to your bank account. And then from here, click on how much amount. So for example, 50. And then from here, select the transaction method and select bank transfer. Once you do that and click on preview order, it's going to set the order fully. And then from there, you're going to enter your details such as the IBAN account that we copied from Payoneer. Once that is done, it will send directly. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.